Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the transmission mount or the left engine mount on Skoda Fabia. The transmission mount is located on the left side of the car underneath the battery housing. So in order to get to it, it's located right there. You can see it just underneath the battery housing. So in order to get to it, we need to remove the battery and the battery housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the battery housing is removed, we have access to the transmission mount. The transmission mount is held by 4 bolts, but before starting to remove them, first we're going to put an engine jack on top of the car. You can do it with the jack underneath the car as well, whatever is better for you. And we're going to hold the engine with the jack and then start to remove the bolts. Now we're going to start removing the bolts for the engine mount. There's 3 bolts on top that we need to remove. There's two more bolts holding the engine mount, but in order to get to those bolts we need to lower the whole engine and transmission so that we can remove the two bolts. And these are the bolts right there that we need to remove. One of them is there, one on the other side. Now that the two bolts are removed, we can take out the transmission mount. And there's the transmission mount out. Now we can replace it and put it back on. Putting the engine mount back on is the exact same procedure as removing it. You need to put it in place and start putting on the bolts. First we're going to put the two bolts on the side and tighten them, and the third bolt, which is right there, also tighten it. And then we're going to lift up the transmission and the engine and put the two bolts that hold the transmission to the engine mount. Now we're going to lift up the engine almost all the way. We're going to use a pry bar just if they're not in exact position, to put it in exact position and tighten the bolts. Now we're going to tighten the bolts and we're done with replacing the engine mount. Now we can remove the jack and assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.